Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Pentagon Season's Greetings for 2021. Okay, this is my Pentagon Season's Greetings. I'm really excited to open this. This is my first Season's Greetings that I've bought of Pentagons. I got BTS's last year, but my BTS one still hasn't come. But look out for an unboxing when it finally ships, which it still hasn't. But I'm not salty about it at all. But here's my Pentagon one. I'm really excited to open it. I haven't taken it out of the bubble wrap yet because I wanted to be, I mean, I kind of know what's in it because I've seen stuff on Twitter, but like I wanted to be, you know, surprised. Ooh. Oh, those pictures are so cute. Babies. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to be weird. Oh, that's such a cute picture. Okay, so it says Season's Greetings, 2021, Pentagon Cube Entertainment, the bane of my existence. And then it says Season's Greetings on the back and 2021. Oh, it looks like it might open from here. That's interesting. All right, let's take the plastic off. Okay, I'm nervous because the box almost seems a little bit flimsy. Yenen's picture is so cute. Oh, I love them. Okay, so yeah, I think it opens from back here. So let's open it up. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so this. What is this? Let's see. I kind of forget what all is in it. I ordered them so long ago that like I cannot remember. It looks like a poster. Okay, so I think this is a poster with the months and the dates on the bottom. Oh, that's pretty. That's kind of cool though because you could hang this up for the year, but like you could also just like cut this part off after the year is over and save this poster. It's very nice quality. It's like matte finish, which I prefer in a poster, especially if you're gonna hang it up in a room that has like lots of sunlight and stuff. Okay, so that was pretty. Oh, I get a badge on YouTube for it. Cool. Okay, so, oh, I think these are the postcards. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, look at the little guy. I don't know what they say. I'll have to see if anyone has translated them yet. Oh, that's cute. Happy 2021, universe. Sean. Happy New Year. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like the little heart. It says greeting card on it. It's cute. Oh, his little hearts. I'm so happy to have Yenin back. Oh, cute. That vase is cute too. Oh, those are cute. They're really nice too. They're also like a matte finish. Oops. Okay, these are the photo cards. Something about getting photo cards is just so satisfying. And for once, they're like a normal photo card size. Pentagon never does normal size photo cards. Oh, so pretty. Oh, cute. I love Yudo's hair like that. That is really a good look for him. Oh, cute. I'm gonna put these in my photo card book. They'll actually fit, unlike the majority of my Pentagon photo cards. It's like a guessing game every time they have a comeback. Like, what shape are their photo cards going to be this time? Ooh, okay, so this is the, like, what do they call this? Like a lenticular or whatever? That sits on a shelf. I have a BTS one from, I think it was from Love Yourself Tier. Here, this one. Which I actually have several of them because I have several albums, but that's the one that I have sitting out. Although it's getting a little grungy and like dusty from sitting out, so maybe I should replace it with a different one. Okay, so here's this one. Okay, so it just spins backwards, I think. Like that. And then you can sit it up. Nice, that's cute. The colors are a little washed out on it, but that's okay. It's still cute. It sits up like that. That's nice. I like that. Cool. Oh, this is the diary. I feel like I've said this before. I'm always like, when I get diaries, I'm like, I love stationery, obviously, so I love getting stuff like this, but it's like, it's so nice that I'm afraid to use it. Oh, it's just a calendar. Oh, well, it does have a diary in the back, I guess. Okay, so this is the calendar, and it has, wait, oh. October 10th is my birthday, and so at first I was like, wait, what did they put on my birthday? But I forgot that's also their debut date, so happy birthday to me. Okay, cute. Again, scared to use it because, like, I don't want to mess it up, but also, like, what's the point of getting it if I just let it go to waste? I did use the BTS one last year. This one, I didn't use it, obviously, as often as I use my bullet journal, but I did write some in it because I could kind of carry this with me in my purse. And then, like, if somebody were to ask me, I could, like, look really quick, or I could quickly write something down, and then when I got home, I could add it to my bullet journal. But this one's a little bigger, so I don't think this one I would want. And that one had, like, the plastic around it, where this one I'm afraid would get, like, bent up and stuff in my purse. So I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Maybe you can use it for something specific, like just stuff from work, or like just K-pop events or something. Oh, there's just like blank pages too. Interesting. Okay. Okay, this is the desk calendar, which I don't think I got. I can't remember if I got the desk calendar with the BTS one, because this I'm excited about because I may be moving out soon, so I'll have like way more desk space, and I can actually sit this out. So it like oh, there's a memo pad. Well, that is cool. Okay. Oh, okay. So there's like a little, that is so, I've never had like a desk calendar before. That's really cool, actually. So it's got this like memo pad that, like, as you're looking at your calendar, you could just like write things down really quickly, except they're tearing off like really easily. Maybe it's just the top couple. That's neat. I am a fan of that. I know it's hard to tell from the angle that the camera is, but that's really cool. That's really neat. I'm gonna flip through it a little bit. Oh, so I'm guessing they put them in. Oh, so there's another picture on the back. Cool. I'm guessing they're in age order. He is just so photogenic. Like, every picture he takes is gorgeous. When I first like got interested in Pentagon, I really thought that Yudo was gonna be my bias. Like, I was very drawn to him at first. I mean, I love all of them, obviously, but I was like, okay, I think this is the one. But then he really just took me by the neck. Oh, cute. Okay, so now there's some like subunit pictures. Those are so cute. That's a really good picture. They look really pretty in that. They have excellent skin. Okay, so, and then there's just pictures at the end. That's cute. So you could just have these sitting too if you wanted to. After the year's over and you're waiting for your new one. Okay, and then there's just like another calendar thing on the back. Okay, I'm really excited to utilize this actually. How was this folded? I can't remember. I think it was folded like, no? Like this? Yeah, there we go. And this, there we go. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm really excited to use this. So that was that. So it has the desk calendar, this poster with the calendar on it, this transparency photo cards of all the members, except for Jinho, of course. And these postcards with a message on the back, which I'm gonna have to look up what they say. And this diary, which is like a planner slash diary slash, it could be like a sketchbook back here. I don't know. The paper is like an interesting texture though. Like I feel like some inks will like sit on this paper. So you have to be careful with smudging, I think, if you use it. But yeah, cute. I just like something about getting K-pop merch just like makes me so happy. Like no other industry is doing it like this. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.